Hey guys, so for today, I'm going to show you how you can fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. So let's start. So first things first, go ahead and open up your XAMPP app. And here, let's stop this service called MySQL. So you can just click on stop right here. So here it is now stopped. Now after this one, open up your File Explorer. Now let's locate the XAMPP folder. So let's go to local disk C, and you can scroll down and you should find it right over here. So let's go ahead and double click this one. Now once you're here, go to MySQL folder. Let's double click this and let's make a backup for the folder data. So what you can do is right click here and click on copy, and click on an empty space here and right click and let's do paste. So here we created this backup. So let's just rename this one. Let's call this one data underscore old. So after that, let's go to this folder, the data folder. Let's double click this to open. Now, once you are in here, you need to select all the files in here. Now, let's deselect IB data. And after that, let's right click on any of the files and let's click on the delete icon. So this is going to delete all the selected files, excluding IB data 1, which we deselect earlier. Now, after that, go back to MySQL folder. Now go to data old. This is the backup data that we created earlier. Let's open this one. Now let's select all the files here and let's copy them. So let's right click on any files and click copy. Now go back to the data folder and let's right click on an empty space and click on paste. So here, now it is going to ask us what we want to do with the file IB data. So here, since this is the original file, let's just go ahead and skip this file. Now all your files should be here. Now after that, go back to your XAMPP app and start MySQL. And your MySQL should now start. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.